Shit.
I don't know, man. I've been drinking.
You been drinking?
Yeah, I've been drinking.
Okay.
And I took some weed pills.
Some weed pills?
Yeah. I did that on purpose, sir.
What, you hit me on purpose?
Yeah, I did.
Why is that?
I'm bored.
You bored?
I'm bored.
只是因为讨厌警察，便开车撞向正在执行交通拦截的警员，是什么给了嫌疑人这么大的勇气？2025年9月24日，伊利诺伊州费尔维尤海茨，一位警官正在对一辆汽车例行交通拦截，就在这一刻，后方一辆黑色轿车突然加速，猛烈撞上警车尾部，撞击力道之大，导致警车被推向前方，差点将警官夹在两车之间，仅仅数英寸之差就可能酿成致命悲剧。再来慢镜头看一下，就是这一瞬间，差点让警官从英雄变成烈士。
Yes. Fairview 187. My vehicle's just been hit. Start an ambulance.
Hey, what happened?
You tell me.
I need a new car.
Somebody ran into me, pushed my vehicle into the other vehicle. Start an ambulance. Need a supervisor.
好家伙，这么惨烈的车祸，黑人司机竟然毫发无损。
Here, come over here, brother. Get out of the road. Here, have a seat real quick. Have a seat. You all right?
Yeah, I'm all right.
What happened, dude?
I don't know, man. I've been drinking.
You been drinking?
Yeah, I've been drinking.
Okay.
And I took some weed pills.
Some weed pills?
Yeah.
Okay.
不得不说，现如今能像这位黑人小哥这么诚实的人不多了，居然告诉警官自己不但喝酒了，而且还吸大麻了，酒驾和毒驾都是违法行为，这给警方的调查取证省去了不少麻烦。
Anybody else in the car?
Nah, it's just me.
187. Start a trooper. Here, just sit down, man. Just sit down.
All right.
Driver tells me he's been drinking and took some weed pills.
Hey, let me get
No.
my phone.
Sit down, sit down.
Okay.
I don't want you to get hit, okay? Hey, you guys all right up in there? All right, just hang tight, okay? All right, just chill, okay?
Okay.
Were you wearing your seatbelt?
I don't know. The airbag went off.
Good.
Everything went off.
I'm good. I didn't get hit.
Okay.
I appreciate you.
Yep.
148-187. I was outside of my vehicle. The occupants in the vehicle I stopped seemed to be okay also. I have the driver of the Unit 1 vehicle sitting on the ground right now.
Am I going to jail?
Oh, I didn't say that. Just hang tight. I'm concerned that you're okay. All right.
Yeah. What's up, buddy?
You all right, man?
It's a nice car I just crashed.
Are you the owner of that car?
Yes, sir.
What year is it?
2018. It was 2018.
Was it 2018?
Yeah. I ain't never been to car accident, not like that.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy, dude. Where you coming from?
Huh?
Where were you coming from?
The Walmart up the street.
In O'Fallon?
No fouling, yeah.
Okay. All right. You and your passenger good though, right? Okay.
You guys got it safe?
Yeah. All right. I got some other guys coming. Okay. 187. We do have some lane blockage on the southbound lanes.
Yes, sir. Can I stand up? My head's getting like
Just sit down, man. You just in a bad accident. I don't want you to get hurt. Okay. You wandering around out in that traffic, somebody gonna hit you.
somebody gonna hit me. I got insurance. It ain't gonna cover that though.
Well, I don't know, but that's not what we're concerned about right now. We're concerned about everybody's okay, all right?
All right.
You got your driver's license on you, man?
Yeah.
Can I see it real quick?
You guys got pulled over or something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Where's your driver's license at, man? Is it still in the car or you got it on you?
I got it on me.
Can I see it real quick?
I did that on purpose, sir.
What, you hit me on purpose?
Yeah, I did.
Why is that?
I'm bored.
You bored?
I'm bored.
这是典型的自爆行为，居然说自己是故意撞警车的，原因是无聊，可以说闻所未闻。
Fairview 187. Copy subject.
How you doing, boss?
Last of Jennings, John, Edward, Nora, Nora, Ida, Nora, George, Sam.
Huh?
First of King,
Yeah,
Edward,
I
Adam,
crashed into him.
John, Ida, Ocean, Nora.
You got insurance on your car? Yeah, I do.
187. Copy subject that I stopped initially.
Damn, I don't know how I'm gonna get home.
So you ran in the back of me on purpose?
Yeah.
Why is that?
I hate cops, man.
Yeah?
I hate.
Why is that?
I was raped. No one helped me.
When was this?
I don't remember.
Yeah.
I was raped and no one helped me.
Okay. All right. We got an ambulance coming, okay?
All right.
All right.
They gonna take me home or I'm going?
I don't know. You ain't got no weapons on you, do you?
No, sir.
All right. Go ahead and put your hand behind your back for me.
All right.
好家伙，酒驾、毒驾、故意撞向警车，就这随便其中一条都可以进监狱，居然还想回家。
So am I going in the ambulance?
They're gonna come and check you out, okay, partner?
Okay.
All right.
You put my wallet back in my pocket?
Yeah.
You all right, bud?
Right, all right in the car? He's okay. It's good.
All right, just hang tight, okay? 187, go. So, wait a second.
I was going home.
Ten four. 343, he says he ran into me on purpose because he hates cops.
最终，该男子被送进了监狱。他被指控多项严重罪行，包括刑事损坏政府财产、使用致命武器加重殴打、使用机动车辆加重殴打。如果蓄意攻击警察被查实，必将受到严重刑罚。事件中，虽然警官经历了最不可思议的生死一刻，但警官仍能冷静和专业处理事故，简直是教科书级别的范例。视频一经发出后，立刻引发了网友们的热议。有网友说，这位黑人是我一生中见过的最诚实的人，没有之一。还有网友说，虽然他有种种罪行，但至少他不粗鲁。更有网友说，这个年轻黑人彬彬有礼、尊重、诚实，必须给他点赞。对于此事件，您有什么看法呢？欢迎评论区留言。感谢您的观看，下期见。